This is Sachin. You are on Things Made Easy. If you are a student, then you're in the right place. Consider subscribing to be a part of this channel, which helps you to develop. So this is Abacus masterclass series in which I will teach you proper functioning of Abacus to give you a 10 times faster and accurate result on it, comprising of mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Stay tuned. This is the second part in the introduction series of the Abacus learning program. This time we are going to discuss about moving the beads on the Japanese Soroban Abacus. Calculation on this Abacus is done by moving the beads up and down like that. So this time we're going to learn according to this page. So we will just get the parts practical on this Soroban, and I'm just going to be explaining you. The author says that handle the Abacus properly. So the handling of the Abacus is already shown in my previous introduction video. Just get to it. Let's start with handling. Now it is you can use your either or both hands for calculation work. Means you can use your both the hands for calculation and movement on your Abacus. Like if you're solving any problem, you can just use your this hand for Abacus, and just considering same, you can just do from here like this, which gives a second helping hand to you when you're solving the questions. Now there's another important rule that you should only use your thumb and your index finger to solve the problems or to move beads up and down. From both the hands, only thumb and index finger. Okay. Talking about some another point, we have the decks. So this is the lower deck and this is the upper deck. In the lower deck we have 4 beads, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, which have count of 1. One count means 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have second deck, which is upper deck, in which we have beads of 5 count, that is 5. So wherever you want to just show, there are many things you must keep in mind, that addition and subtraction on the Abacus is done from right hand side, that's this side, and the multiplication is done from this side, which is left side, and for division we need both the sides for solving. Okay, now that's all for moving the beads. Let's try moving some beads, which helps you to understand about the Soroban even more. So now for moving the beads, we just need to show beads on the Abacus. Now for that, we're just showing 1 on the Abacus when we have not shown any of the, when none of the beads are touching the answer rod, then initially the Abacus is on 0 position, like 0 or reset. So now we need to just show 1. From the right side we do addition and subtraction, so you just put the 1 bead up. This is 1. When you add 1 more to it, that's this, that becomes 2. Adding more gives you 3, then 4. And now for 5, just we learned that upper deck has 1 bead of count 5. So for showing 5, we need to just do this. This is 5. And for our 6, that's 5 plus 1. So 1, this is 6. And another, that's 5, 6. Plus 1, that's 7, that's 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, this is some kind of thing that is common for Abacus. If you're already using an Abacus, then you must be familiar with it. Now, solving or just putting some these numbers on the Abacus. So now for putting some numbers on the Abacus, we use this. Like if you want to just put 5, so 5 is this one, we already did it. And if I just want to take, for example, take 65, if you want to show on this Abacus, then what you need to do is just, we need to put 60 and then 5. So this is the ones rod, this is the tens, 100, 1,000 and 1,000 lakh, this was like this. So on the tens rod, we need to put 6 because the number is 65. We need to put 6 on the tens, so that becomes 60. And for showing 5, we show it on the ones row, that's 65. Okay, now let's put it on reset. Taking another example, that is, take 666. So here it is 666. When you call it by name 666, it's easier for you to show it on your abacus because you get 600 means third rod. So 60 means 10th rod and 6 means 1st rod. This is the showing of 666 on the Soroban. Bringing our abacus again to reset. Talking about some larger number, that is 7729. That's a 4-digit number. Phrasing it as 7729. So for that you need to count 4 digits from the tens, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can just get it while you practice. So for 7729 on the first rod, that's 4th rod, we put 7, and on the 100th rod we again put 7, that's 5, 6, 7. On the 10th rod we put 2, that's 1 and 2. And for the 1st rod we put 9, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this is 7729. Bringing our abacus again to rest, talking about one more example to end up. Taking another example like 729. So for 729, it's a 3-digit number. So for showing a 3-digit number on abacus, consider 3 places, 1, 2, 3. For 729, we take 700. That's 5, 6, 7. And for 2, we take 1, 2, 2. And for 9, again 1. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Again bringing to reset. This was all about this video. If you found something useful, then please share and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more of this. Such as Sama signing out. Thanks for watching. Take care.